Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what is slice and splice in JavaScript. This is one of the most frequently asked questions, and a lot of the people will have confusion what exactly is slice and splice and where we can use these methods. If we can show an example of what is slice and splice, it will be easily understandable. And these concepts are very simple. Just we have to understand it. Example, I'll take a example of a cake. Let's take cake as an array, and cake has 5 quarters, right? Imagine a X person. The person X has a birthday now, right? And he wants to cut the cake, and we are telling him to cut the cake in a simple manner, right? We are giving him a range, okay? So first, I'm telling him to splice the cake, to cut the cake from here to here, right? So that second quarter and third quarter and fourth quarter of a cake, we can give it to others, right? So now, if I want to do that, if I want to splice the cake in from 2, 3, or 4, so I have to tell my JavaScript, okay? So cake dot slice, cut it from 1. So in arrays, this is a 0th index. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm telling to cut it from 0 to 4 so that we can get an answer 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 to 4, so that 1 is included, 2 is included, 3 is included, but 4 is not included. This is the range, right? Let us see the answer for it. Node splice and slice.js. So now I got the second, third, and fourth quarter of a cake. So what if I am telling the birthday guy, cut only first quarter, remove the second, third, and fourth quarter. So I can give console.log, only cut the fourth quarter. So I'll put cake.slice. So I'll give 0, range, index, and 1. So that I only need the first quarter of a cake. I'll put a comment here. Now we'll see the answer. I'll put CLS. So we got only the first quarter. So what are the confusing bits here? Okay. Sometimes what people will do. So normally slice is an array, right? Slice, we are giving a range for the array to be sliced. For example, let's see the traditional definition of slice. So okay, cake dot slice. If I put open bracket, so start number, end number, the beginning index of a specified portion of an array. The start is undefined, then splice begins at 0. Okay. So if its start is undefined, then slice begins at 0. So what if I give, what is cake.slice, right? So console.log. So if I don't specify, what will happen? What it will think? What the interpreter will do? See, it doesn't have a range, so it will assume it has a splice from 0 to the end. What if I give console.log cake.slice of 1? What exactly does it mean? Does it have a starting value? No. Does it have an ending value? What does it actually mean? So let's see the answer. So let me put a console.log comment before statement. Let me run it. So what actually happened here? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I'm saying 1. So end value is not defined, right? So it removed 0. So what if I give 0? So these are the tricky ones. See, it didn't splice anything. Okay, so okay, let me put console. Let me put comment there. So clear the screen, now run it. If you give just 0, it will not slice anything. If you give just empty, it will not slice anything. If you give the value 1, so it is excluding the first element, right? So what if I give 2? Copy this, I'll paste. So see, 0, 1, 2. So if you don't give anything, the splice in the beginning, it will calculate 0 as an index. It is nothing but it is taking a range, it is removing this, right? It is nothing but console.log cake.slice. It is excluding, right? So this is nothing but these both answers, right? So it is exactly calculating like this. See, if we just give 2, it is taking this as the first one, and up to cake.len it will give. So what if I give 3, right? Notice this, both the values will be similar. So if I give 3, so it will exclude the first 3. So let me save it. So I'll give 3 here. I'll give 3 here. See? So this is the most confusing part. This is where people will have no idea to answer it. And these will be most frequently asked interview. They'll twist and turn like this and they'll ask it. So what if I give console.length? So if I give cake.length, so what should come? Cake.slice of cake.length, sorry. Cake.slice of cake.length. It's just telling, see, it's an empty array. It is nothing but we are telling to splice to cake.length to cake.length. So both are same. So if I execute this, the answer will be empty. Now, let's see splice with the similar example, right? So splice is different, slice is different. What actually we are doing in splice, what actually we are doing in slice. So for splice, I'll take let employee equal to, so I'll take A, so comma B, C, D and E, right? So I'll write console.log employee.splice. So start number I'll write 0, 2, 2. I need Z, right? See now guys, so here I have spliced, I don't have to give a console log here. So here I have spliced 0 and 2, let's say from A, B. So I told 0, 1, 2. So 0 is included, 1 is included, 2 is not included. So A and B is replaced by Z. So I will be getting Z, C, D and E, right? So I'll put a employee table comment, and let's see the cake one only, right? So let's take one scenario of cake. So we have told X is having a birthday, right? Now he is only having a vanilla flavor cake. I want only the cake. The cake will have, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 quarters only vanilla flavor. So what if I told him, okay, go outside and get me second, third and fourth quarter as butterscotch flavor. The similar kind of method can be applied here in splice. I'll tell my cake array to do the same thing, right? So I'll do one thing here. So cake dot splice, right? So I'll be telling, so I don't want second and third to be, I want second and third to be butterscotch flavor. So I'll write it here. I'll take from 1, 2, 3 so that only 1, 2 are removed, and I want to replace it with butterscotch. So if now I will print console.log of cake, so see the answer. Let me now execute it. See, so first is vanilla, 2, 3 are butterscotch, 4 and 5 are vanilla flavors. So this is splice. Slice is easy. Slice is just giving a range, and splice is just splicing it, replacing the value. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you would have liked it. If you really like the video, please click on like.